Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about ads can be avoided by correct and complete information. So now don't waste your time. Let's go to learn about important points. Ads can happen to anyone, but everyone can avoid it. Let's know some important things about ads. So far, there is no cure for hips and heads. Information is the only cure. Ads can be avoided by correct and complete information. Let's go to learn today's great video. So, what are hips and heads? Hips means human immunodeficiency virus. Virus that damage the immune system of the body which fight infection. AIDS means acute immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS is the condition when the immune system of the person becomes very weak and it can't fight infection and the person succumbs to common disease. So far there is no cure for hips and heads, but it can be prevented. The first patient of AIDS in India was diagnosed in 1986. Since then till 2007, nearly 2.5 million people are estimated to be living with HIV. How does HIV and AIDS affect us? HIV slowly damages the immune system of our body. Prolonged fever, frequent diarrhea, mouth lesions, weight loss, and ineffectiveness of medicine even to common disease are some of the symptoms of AIDS. One becomes prone to opportunistic infection like TB and pneumonia. If anyone has these symptoms, E and C should take the HIV test. HIVs and AIDS can spread through unprotected sex by receiving HIVs infected blood by using unsterilized needles from an HIV positive mother to her baby. HIVs and AIDS doesn't spread through touch, through mosquito bite, by working together, by sharing food, clothes, and toilets. How can we protect ourselves from AIDS and AIDS? Obtain from sex before marriage. Be faithful to your spouse. Sexual relation only between husband and wife. If you doubt that your sexual partner is effective with HIV, use a condom during sex. How can we protect ourselves from HIV and AIDS? Take proper and timely treatment of sexually transmitted disease. Use only sterilized new needle or disposable syringe. Ensure blood products are free from HIV infection. Ensure it is tested from HIV before use. Condom use gives dual benefits: family planning, protection from STD and HIV. What is the meaning of STD? STD meaning is sexually transmitted disease. I am assured my child will be safe. I have taken the HIV test. A child can be infected from an HIV infected mother during pregnancy, delivery, and breastfeeding. An HIV positive pregnant mother can protect her child by taking medicine as per the doctor's advice. Anyone can get infected with HIV. Make sure you take an HIV test during or before pregnancy. How to know whether one is HIV positive or not? If you are attacked by disease like diarrhea, TB, fever, etc., and it is not getting cured by medicine, it may be symptoms of AIDS. AIDS symptoms can take around 8 to 10 years to develop after infection. If there is any doubt of his infection due to unprotected sex, transfusion of infected blood produced or use of infected unsterilized needles, it is advisable to take the HIV test. Where can one get the HIV test done? Blood test from HIV diagnosis is very simple and can be carried out in different integrated counseling and testing center located in all district headquarter hospital, subdivisional hospital and a few CHC of the state, free of cost. Trained counselor at ICTC give free counseling in the regards. The HIV test report is kept strictly confidential. Some simple suggestions for living with HIV. Remember, there are a number of diseases which can be cured. Adopt good nutrition and healthy lifestyle. Avoid smoking, alcohol and drugs. Exercise to keep your body and mind healthy. Take adequate rest. Pay attention to personal hygiene. Practice only safe sex. Don't feel depressed, dejected. Don't feel depressed, dejected. There is life even with HIV. For a doctor, all patients are equal. It is a crime to segregate, discriminate the people living with HIV in the hospital or refuse them treatment. It is necessary to keep their identity confidential. It is necessary to give them and their family members proper advice. Does HIV and AIDS affect our relationship? HIV and AIDS is not a contagious disease. Person infected with HIV can lead a normal life with regular use of heart. It is injustice to discriminate against HIV positive people and it actually shows our inorgans. And it actually shows our ignorance. Our behaviors with person living with HIV should be the same. Be it in office, at home, or in companion of friend. Why discriminate when nothing has changed? Practicing abstinence is certainly not easy, but we, the youth, are aware and responsible. Practicing abstinence is certainly not easy, but we, the youth, are aware and responsibility. Thank you. Have a nice day.